Hello everyone, welcome to Think Big Digital, and today I will show you how to check Snapchat message history. So let's open our Snapchat app and tap on Friends. Here, if I open any of the messages, it will show me all the chat that I saved here, but it doesn't really keep track of all the chats. That's because Snapchat deletes all of their chat after 24 hours or right after you saw them. However, if you really want to access your chat history, then tap on your profile icon on the top left and then tap on the gear icon on the top right. Scroll all the way to the bottom and click on My Data. Here you will see a lot of information that you can download, but make sure that your chat history is toggled on. Now scroll down and tap on Next, and you can choose to select what date range you want the chat history to download from, and then click on Submit. And Snapchat will compile all of the data of that date range and send it to your email. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comment below and we'll be more than happy to answer it for you. And if you want to see us more on your For You page, subscribe to our channel.